If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song. Sing, you are my only one. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood, but life can be this good. I would launch 1,000 ships just to be about your lips, till them all to sail away, just to see.
I have came down from the mountains and now I'm planning to visit the waterfall Cascada Cailor. So I've just arrived to this place and I'm going to the teleskii in order to go up. I'm really looking forward to check this out. It's the biggest waterfall in Romania. Usually I do avoid waterfalls because it's really crowded, and even here it's quite of a crowd, quite a few people, because it's the biggest waterfall in Romania. So, and I'm around planning to check it out. So let's bounce, let's see. When it comes to climbing, I always take the walking part, but this time I opted for the teleski because I am really tired and my legs are hurting. I did spend about 7-8 hours on the mountain yesterday climbing, and the descent also took me around 4.5 hours, so I need this. The teleski is quite slow, but I actually enjoy it because it's really hot outside and there is a nice wind to it, so it's really refreshing. I have just arrived up and the panoramic view is amazing. I think you can even spot the Pietrosul Peak, if I'm not mistaken. It is one of my favorite places so far from the mountainside height. So from this place I think I need to walk for about an hour. You can actually spot it like a narrow line flowing from quite above. It is an easy hike. I've seen people with flip-flops, also the weird shoes. I haven't seen any high heels, but yeah, it is an easy walk. On the other hand, this will be a hell of a hike on the way back. I love these places where you have to go through these, when you have to walk through this amazing pine forest. Just look at these tall trees. I enjoy this place. It is amazing, isn't it? So this was the Cascada Cailor. It's time to go back and to go to our next destination. Oh man, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry, I wanna cry. I need to find somewhere to eat a soup or something because my stomach doesn't feel very good because of all the, you know, the cans and bread that I had lately. So as soon as I get down, if I can find a place where I can eat a soup or chorba or something, that would be great. But in the meantime, enjoy a placinta. Here we are again, going down. Oh my days, I'm so tired. I'm falling asleep and I can't move my legs anymore.
Never understood that life can be this good. I would launch 1,000 ships just to be about your hips. Tell them all to sail away, just to see you every day. Oh my, oh my, oh my days. Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful. Never understood that life can be there.
Oh gosh, I'm finally full. It wasn't the best food, but I can't be a food critic now because I was so hungry. Now all I need is a place to rest and sleep properly and take a shower. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by, for checking out this video. Give me a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.